MotherHeals varicose veins with this simple recipe from Old Granny. The results are almost immediate. Well, I really think that we all know that many people around the world, especially women, suffer from this both aesthetic and health problem, varicose veins. Yes, unfortunately nobody is immune to this aesthetic problem. The medical experts claim that it's a common sign of weakened blood vessels, mostly because of the external factors. In this video we are going to show you how to make the most powerful home remedy against varicose veins. This effective recipe was sent by one of our readers who wished to stay anonymous. She said, "Unfortunately I have this problem for more than 20 years and I've tried many different remedies and creams. And the capillaries on my legs have spread significantly in the last 3 months, because I was walking and standing all the time, and I mostly wear some kind of medical flip-flops for which I highly doubt that they are any good. I've been using this remedy for 3 months now and it's really great. The varicose veins on my legs are gone and I would like to share my secret recipe with you and all your readers." Varicose veins, most common causes. Here's what you need to know: standing, sitting and wearing uncomfortable shoes with too high or low heels can speed up the process of varicose veins. Pregnancy can speed up the process as well. You should also know that nutrition is extremely important for preventing and treating this aesthetic problem. Make sure you consume enough animal protein and plenty of vitamin C, in order to prevent varicose veins. Sugar and trans fatty acids cause body inflammation. And the experts say that this process can damage the capillary walls, and this is why you should avoid them. Note, as we said, this homemade remedy was sent by our reader. She says that this remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients: 1/2 cup chopped carrots, 1/2 cup of aloe vera gel, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. Directions. It's very simple. You just have to put all the ingredients mentioned above into a blender and mix until you get a fine mixture that looks like a paste. Note, you can double the ingredients or you can increase the amount, which depends on the area that needs to be coated. How to use it: you just have to apply this mixture on the affected area and fix it with a bandage if you need. Leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse it with lukewarm water. Note, make sure you raise your legs upwards. It will speed up the healing process. You should use this treatment every day, until you get the desired results. About the ingredients. Carrots. The carrots contain high amounts of antioxidants which are used in many cosmetic products and creams. Apple cider vinegar. This powerful and super healthy ingredient works as powerful anticoagulant or blood thinner, and it helps to prevent blood clots. Aloe vera gel. You should know that the aloe vera gel is used for treating and preventing many diseases, including inflammation of the skin. Note, don't forget, if you suffer from this type of problem, then you should definitely try this homemade remedy. You will be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.